The questions are really interesting and topical, and the competition's really exciting.
I've been to trivia nights all over the city, and consistently Brainstormer is the best time.
The pub quiz really built my business.
We get usually about 30 teams that show up, lots of drinking, lots of eating.
The average bar top can go anything from $20 to $50.
The great thing about Brainstormer Pub Quiz is it's a complete turnkey solution for bar owners.
We thought about working with other companies, but Brainstormers developed a quiz that people seem to really love and enjoy, and it keeps everybody coming back week after week.
Brainstormer is a tried and tested formula for success. Over time, the pub quiz program will generate revenue for your bar.
Last week I think we had probably over 30 teams, and the teams are 1 to 5 people, so it's packed.
It's nice to debate with your team a little bit sometimes. It can get a little heated, but at the end you just want to beat the other team.
Brainstormer always puts on a great show.
The Brainstormer Quiz Pack is the key to any successful trivia quiz night. A Brainstormer Quiz Pack consists of 6 rounds of 10 questions each that range from 1 round of general knowledge, a handout matching round, 2 themed topics that change from week to week, and a more challenging last call for know-it-alls, a double point round that ensures all teams have a chance to win until the very end of the quiz. Your customers will love our picture rounds compiled from the top photo stock agencies in the world. Our play cards, pencils, and advertising materials round out our quiz packs. Just add your own MC and some sparkling personality, and let the quiz begin.
My favorite part about having the pub quiz is just the camaraderie between people, the social aspect. It's phenomenal.
Very happy with Brainstormer here at Rogue, and we'd recommend their quizzes to everybody.
For information about hosting Brainstormer at your event, give us a call at 1-877-782-7849 or log on to our website at www.brainstormer.com.